my channel, you guys. So I am going to be doing a Bantu knot takedown. I literally have not done Bantu knots on my hair in over a year, and the last time I did Bantu knots, I do have a video up, and that was the last time I did it, and I was like, this was a fail, never again. But I was just like, you know what, I attempted to do it when I had natural hair and my hair was just too short, and I was just like, I give up. I was like, okay, now that I have relaxed my hair and everything, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and try it on my relaxed hair now. And I don't know, I feel like it's gonna come out good because the Bantu knots are literally like tight on my head, right? You guys can see I use like freaking rubber bands and stuff just so I can be able to keep it like on my head and not moving all over the place while I sleep. And I also let it dry completely overnight. I washed my hair yesterday around like 11 a.m. and it is now 11 a.m. the next day. So I'm taking it out literally 24 hours later plus more. So I'm like excited. I can't wait to show you guys how it comes out, and hopefully it comes out good. I got my my castor oil. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all of the rubber bands and then I'll come back.